In this video, I will explain to you how to use Gmass, a super useful Chrome extension which you can download for free, so that this button will appear next to the send button. Why do you want to use this? You may want to use Gmass whenever you face in two sort of scenarios. Scenario number one, you want to send the same email text to several recipients, but you don't want them to see their part of a list. So you want them to receive an individual email. To do that, you simply need to add all recipients in here as if they were a list, add your email subject, write your email text as if it were a normal text, a normal email, and then instead of clicking on the send button, you will click on Gmass so that individual emails will be sent as suggested in here. Scenario number two, you may want to customize your email and send an auto follow-up email whenever the recipient does not reply to your first email. How do you do that? You can be facilitated if you use a Google Sheet, which should look like this. This is a test which I created using random examples, and what is the important information is what's put on under these columns. I recommend writing the name of these columns so that Gmail will recognize what part has to be personalized. Once this is created and saved onto your Google Drive, then you can go back on Gmail and click on this icon, which is the one that allows you to connect your email to a Google Sheet. You simply need to click in here and select the one that you are using and that you are referring to, and then you connect it to your email. Once it's uploaded, you will not see the list of recipients in here, but you will rather see the number of recipients. And all important information is referring to this, whatever you stored in here. How do you use this? While writing your email, you may want to open this parenthesis and see what standard names will be, what standard bits will be personalized by referring to your Google Sheet. So for example, if you put this, each recipient will be receiving an email with their first name, whatever you put under the column which is called first name. If you don't know the first name or another bit of information, so for example, if you're leaving one of these cells empty, you may want to add in here a part which is going to appear if you don't have that information. Let's say you don't have someone's first name, you may want to add this bar and then add friend as an alternative way of filling in this space. As soon as you finish writing your email, then before clicking on Gmass, you will want to click on here so that you can add other information, and you can just go through this and see whatever you need, but the most important thing is the auto follow-up. By clicking here, you can click on the stage 1, which is created and sent out whenever the recipient does not reply after 2 days, or whatever you select. It can be 5 days, 10 days, it really depends. And then here you can, of course, personalize the second email that you want to be sent as part of the same email thread. If you want to send an auto follow-up as a separate email, you can do it by creating this email in the advanced section. So you just send it as a new message and then just go through this and add whatever you need according to your email campaign. I hope this was useful, but let me know if you have any questions or if you need to know anything else. Thank you so much.